Is your Jaguar losing power or making noise? Expert exhaust system diagnosis and services. If your Jaguar is producing loud engine noise or feels sluggish, the exhaust system may be at fault. Exhaust leaks, corrosion, or catalytic converter issues can seriously affect performance and emissions. Timely diagnosis ensures your Jaguar continues to deliver refined power and smooth driving comfort. Warning signs to watch for: unusual rattling, hissing, or roaring sounds from underneath the vehicle. Decreased acceleration or reduced engine output during normal driving. Strong exhaust fumes or visible smoke from the tailpipe. Why exhaust problems shouldn't be ignored. Leaks can allow dangerous carbon monoxide to enter the cabin. A faulty catalytic converter increases harmful emissions and may fail inspection. Engine strain from exhaust blockages can reduce fuel economy and long-term performance. Common exhaust system faults in Jaguar: cracked or corroded mufflers and pipes due to road salt or moisture exposure. Loose heat shields causing metallic rattling or vibration noises. Catalytic converter degradation leading to restricted airflow and power loss. Professional diagnosis and service solutions. Technicians use precision tools to detect leaks, pressure losses, and sensor faults. OEM quality parts are used to restore exhaust flow and meet emission standards. Complete inspection includes manifold, gaskets, catalytic converter, muffler, and tailpipe. Conclusion: addressing exhaust issues early helps maintain your Jaguar's signature performance and fuel efficiency. Trust Jaguar trained professionals to deliver accurate diagnosis and long-lasting exhaust repairs.